All right, good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday to you. Another nice view of First Light coming up over Rockford early this morning. This is the view from earlier in that Rockford Public Library cam. Nice view over the Rock River as we had some beautiful colors and clear skies outside this morning. Here's one thing I'm a big fan of, the temperatures, which are a little bit cooler out there right now. Feels pretty good as you step out there. 63 degrees in Rockford, 59 even in Rochelle. It feels good because it's a little less humid. We've had north winds since yesterday. Those are gradually beginning to turn towards the east and will eventually turn towards the south by tomorrow. So that means it is going to get hotter over the next couple of days when those south winds pick up. But at least for today, it's going to be dry and it's going to be nice and pleasant. We have some rain farther west towards Iowa and Nebraska, but I think that misses us and stays out of our way. I'm not confident that that'll hold together long enough for us to really see any rain. You can actually already see there those storms in South Dakota petering out. So this will give us maybe a little extra cloud cover later today. But aside from that, looking at a really nice day. Here's how it looks in your futurecast. Temperatures into the upper 70s around midday today, and we top out around 83 degrees for your high temperature, lower 80s across the board by 3-4 o'clock this afternoon, and no chance for rain. It's going to stay dry for the rest of the day. Just a couple clouds overhead, and that's it. Temperatures close to 80 degrees at dinner time, and then down to the upper 60s, low 70s by 10 o'clock later on tonight. You'll notice those winds starting to turn back towards the south by tomorrow afternoon, noticeably so by around 3-4 o'clock. That gets us up by about 5 degrees compared to today, up to around 87, 88. So hotter, but not terribly hot, even for this time of year. It'll be just a little bit warmer for Friday and getting closer to hot by Saturday as this upper level ridge develops down towards the south. That's really going to crank up the heat for Missouri and southern Illinois, but maybe not so much for us. We'll see highs get into the lower or right around 90 degrees for Saturday afternoon. And then that will come to an end quickly as the chance for showers and storms comes back Sunday afternoon. Looking at some wet weather towards the end of the weekend and the start of next week as the jet stream moves a little bit closer and the heat dome retreats down towards the south. So it's possible we could see some plenty of days of wet weather ahead starting Sunday and lasting through Tuesday. Here's the rainfall forecast over the next 5 days. We're not talking about a lot in the grand scheme of things. Most of us will pick up less than an inch, but some pockets closer to 1.5 inches towards the west near Freeport and Stockton, as well as towards the north near Beloit and Elkhorn. Could be getting some respectable rain amounts over the next 5 days. Again, starting Sunday, lasting Monday and Tuesday. That's when the rain chances return. But in the short term, it's going to stay dry today, tomorrow, and Saturday and get a little hotter. Mid-80s for highs today, upper 80s for Friday and Saturday before we kind of level off with the highs in the mid-upper 80s into the end of the weekend and the start of next week. So here's your 7-day forecast. Dry days ahead for today, tomorrow, and Saturday. Enjoy it. The first half of the weekend looks great to do something outside. Sunday, Monday, not so much. That's when shower and storm chances make a comeback to 40 to 50%. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Getting a little cooler, though, by Wednesday. Highs only in the upper 70s next Wednesday.